Carlo Ancelotti has revealed the roster for Brazil for the upcoming matches in early September, and we'll check this out. As for goalies, there's Alisson, Bento, Hugo Sosa. As for Ryan left back, we have Wesley Venderson, Alexandro, Caio Henrique, and Douglas Santos. As for center backs, we have Magalhães, Marquinhos, Alexandro, and Fabricio Bruno. For the mid, we have André Santos, Bruno Guimares, Casemiro, Joel Linto, and Lucas Paqueta. As for Brazil's attackers, well, check this out. Chelsea's new young player, Estevao. Also, they have Martinelli, Caio Jorge, Luis Enrique, Mateus Cunha, Rafinha, Richarlison, and Joao Pedro. Also, side note, Ancelotti did not call one single Real Madrid player, while there's Rodrigo, Endrick, Militao, and Vini Jr. Well, very unfortunate that Neymar Jr. has missed the call-up for Brazil once again due to an injury. I mean, this guy can never catch a break. Very unfortunate news for Neymar Jr. Since he was really hoping to get back with Brazil and play against Chile and Bolivia for the World Cup qualifiers, but it looks like he has to keep waiting to get another chance. But question is, who do you guys think is missing in this roster for Brazil? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to follow me.